Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:03 p.m. August 13th, 2020. It's Thursday, and I am doing this video today. I will not be here tomorrow, so I will not be trading tomorrow, but I want to get one more video in this week for you guys and show you what's happening in the last 2 days. I lost a little bit of money, but it wasn't worth doing videos for because it was just like boring price action. But I missed a couple really good setups, and I should have gone over those in the video if I created a video, but I just didn't have the time, to be honest with you. And now I am looking at today, which was a better day, and a trade I missed yesterday set up today again on the same stock, and I took advantage of it. And that's pretty much all I'm going to talk about today because there's not really much that happened. You can see the SPY gapped down a little bit, climbed up a bit, and then some news came out that carried the markets down, and then it tried to get up. We tried to get a few setups. I missed one on SHLL, the stock you were just looking at a second ago, through this 23.50 level, and I was stupid me, wasn't paying attention. Went up 50 cents, and that easily could have put me in a better position than I ended in, which was pretty good anyway, but it would have made it a little bit better going into the weekend. A big trade I missed again was on this AMC break of I actually took it through 5.15 or 5.10 actually. Price did move up, and I just kind of wimped out, didn't let it walk to this level, and it climbed up pretty well and went all the way up to like 580 or so and 577. So that's a lot on that one. Seems to be what I like to do. McRib, MCRB, which was good yesterday. Did set up a couple times, but I didn't take advantage of that. And then the big one I missed today was NTN, which was the break of this level here. This, was it the 5? Yeah, the 5. And it just climbed up and went to like 750. So a monster move there, and it just fell off the face of the earth once it made its move. So all the longs were laughing at the shorties, and down it goes. The shorties are laughing at the longs. So one of those stocks, which is a piece of crap on the Amex, and you knew it wasn't going to end up 220%, whatever it was up earlier. But let's go over the trade I did take today, which is IGC. Early in the morning. I'm going to go a 2-minute time frame on this one because this one was pretty slick. So you can see here I'm taking the break of this level here, which was actually the open price was 340, so my entry was 340, and I jumped in a little too soon on it on this candle. It actually went up to 342 and then pulled back. This whole candle was probably it tested the back blue line here, which was 332. So I took a small loss on it. It was unfortunate because, well, it was actually this one. Okay, excuse me, because this went to 344. It went to 344, but then pulled back. I was in for 1,000 shares, and I lost $125. So that was the day of my start, the way it started. So I really like this one based on yesterday's move. You can see yesterday's move was like from less than $1 to like $3. So I was looking for a continuation of this to keep going. And I did jump in with 2,000 shares at 440, and I watched this thing climb and climb and climb and climb. I mean, obviously, if I held it all, it would have been like a $2,000 at the top winner. I had lost $125, so it was about a $500 winner on that particular trade, and it was just moving. You could see how there was no pain once it triggered, and then climbed. Actually, so I had to sell at like 425, and then once it started pulling back, it meandered here. I thought it was going to pick back up. I still had 100 shares, not compared to what I had at the beginning with 2,000, because I did sell like 500 here and 200 here. I was selling pretty quick into this move. I didn't think a $3 or $4 stock was going to move a buck like that, and well, now I know it could. You just never know what might happen. But as it was pulling back, and then eventually I took my last 100 shares, which was an extra $100 I left on the table at its peak. No big deal, sort of grand scheme of things, because I wanted to hold those in case it did turn around and go back into S450 and actually get to 5 or something. So it was worth holding that 100 shares of 2,000. So overall, good day. It was a 382 day. I was at 412 at one point. I gave some back. I was trading very light the rest of the day. There was nothing really setting up, and I think that was a good thing. This is what I'm learning to do, really, because of the last few weeks have been really tough. So waiting for the good setups, sticking to those setups, and avoiding the crappy ones. But I will not be here tomorrow. Actually, I'm going to be gone end of next week as well, but I'll get into that on Monday because I'll be here Monday and Tuesday at least. And we'll go from there. So you guys have a good Thursday. Have a good one. Subscribe and like. And that's about all. Take care.